Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a redeem code on the Rocket League game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Rocket League game on your device, and once you open it up, after completing the basic tutorial levels, you will have access to the home screen. From here, just tap on Settings and now tap on the Extras option. Within this menu, you will see the redeem code section. Go ahead and click on it, and now you will be prompted to enter a redemption code. Just type in the redeem code that you wish to activate, and after typing it in, just click on the OK button. Once you have clicked on OK and the redeem code has been verified, the associated reward will be added within your Rocket League account right away, and you will now be able to use this redeem code rewards and spend it within the item shop or get a Rocket Pass. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to use a redeem code on Rocket League. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.